Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the door balance link kit on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new door balance link kit for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The Door Link Balance Kit attaches the door to the door spring and assists in holding the weight of the dishwasher's door, allowing it to open and close smoothly. If the cables or wheels on the kit gets damaged or break, it can cause the door to slam open and the door may not stay in the open position. First, disconnect the power to the dishwasher. If your dishwasher has a power cord, unplug the dishwasher. If your dishwasher is hardwired, you'll need to turn off the power at the breaker before disconnecting the wires in the terminal box, which is located underneath the dishwasher. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink, plumbing, or garbage disposal. Then, feed the drain tube and power cord through the holes in your cabinet as far as they'll go. Next, turn off the water shutoff valve for the water supply line. Then, remove the access panel on the bottom of the dishwasher by undoing the retainers. Place a towel or sheet pan under the dishwasher to catch any water that may leak. Now, disconnect the water supply line from underneath the dishwasher. Leave the drain tube attached. Next, open the dishwasher door and remove the screw securing the dishwasher to the countertop. If your dishwasher is side-mounted, remove the screws from the cabinet, which may be located behind the cabinet seal or behind the plastic cap on the side of the dishwasher. You may need to lower the dishwasher's leveling legs if it is too tight against the countertop. Now, slide the dishwasher out from underneath the countertop, being sure to feed both the power cable and drain tube through the holes in the cabinet. The door balance link kit assembly is located here on the side of the dishwasher's frame. The replacement part comes with 2 of each component, as it is recommended to replace both sides at the same time. It is best to do this repair with the dishwasher's door closed because there will be less tension on the spring. Start by pulling the end of the spring out of the door cable. Then remove the door cable from the wheels and the hook from the door hinge. Using a 5/16 inch driver, remove the bottom screw from the balance assembly. Then gently pull out on the balance assembly while rotating it counterclockwise to remove. If your dishwasher has tensioning adjustment options, make note of the position for reinstallation. Repeat this process on the other side. If you need to purchase a new door balance link kit, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you're getting the correct part. We recommend replacing both sides when doing this repair. To install, align the notch on the back side of the balance assembly to the slot on the dishwasher's frame and insert the assembly. Then rotate to the vertical position or the position it was previously installed and reinstall the screw. Then, reattach the door spring to the cable. Run the cable through the balance assembly so that the rope sits over the top wheel and under the bottom wheel. Reattach the door cable to the door hinge. Repeat this process on the other side. To reinstall, begin by laying the water line on the floor so that it is in line with the inlet valve. Then, tape it down so it remains in place when sliding the dishwasher. With the dishwasher near the cabinet, feed the drain tube through the hole located towards the top of the cabinet and feed the power cord through the lower hole. Now, push the dishwasher back a few inches underneath the countertop and continue feeding the drain tube and power cord into the cabinet. Repeat until the dishwasher is in place. With the dishwasher door open, align the holes in the mounting brackets with the pre-existing screw holes under the countertop or with the screw holes in the cabinet if using side mounting brackets. You may need to extend the dishwasher's leveling legs to ensure a tight fit against the countertop. Then, reinstall the 2 mounting bracket screws. Now, reconnect the water line to the water inlet valve located on the bottom of the dishwasher. Then, reinstall the access panel by aligning and inserting the retainers and securing in place. Reconnect the drain tube to the sink plumbing or garbage disposal. Now, plug in your dishwasher. If your dishwasher is hardwired, you'll need to reconnect wires in the terminal box and restore power by flipping the breaker. Then, turn on the water valve. Finally, test the dishwasher and check for any leaks. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.